Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ, bringing you another video this weekend, and this weekend we're going to be doing something exciting. We're not going to be breaking out the Master Built smokers. Instead, we're going to be using our Camp Chef grill, and we're going to be making some very delicious lemon pepper fajitas. So you guys stay tuned and I'll show you how we put this fantastic dish together. Let me go ahead and show you how we're going to get this started. We're going to put our gloves on, and these are the things we're going to be using. Got this over at my grocery store, Lawry's lemon pepper marinades, 30-minute marinade. I'm going to give it a try. I've never tried this before. It looks delicious. If you look at it closely, look at them spices and herbs in it. It looks like it's going to be really good. On top of that, I got my Badia fajita seasoning, and we're also going to be using this, with our meat. So first thing we're going to do, these are the two pieces of meat that I picked up. Got me some Publix inside skirt steak. It's been a while since I've made some fajitas. And we look at this skirt steak. And the skirt steak actually looks very, very good. It's got a nice marbleization right here on the inside. And that's what you're looking for. It looks good. So I got me two pieces. This is what they call the inside skirt steak. It's a little bit smaller, but it should be just as tender or even more tender than your regular flank steak. So what we're going to do with these two pieces of meat, we put our fajita seasoning on it. This is the first time I try this fajita seasoning, but oh my goodness, get a whiff of that. Boy, that smells delicious. Oh man. Woo. Reminds me of Texas. All right. Good enough there. Get some over here on the bigger piece of meat. Get it on the back side. That looks good to me. What do you guys think? All right, now we got that. Put these two pieces of meat inside of a Ziploc bag. And give our marinade a good shaking. I've never tried this, so I'm excited to give it a try. Oh my goodness. Whoo. Man, that smells good. Ah. Delicious. So all we do, there we go. Ziploc this nice and tight. Try to get all the air out of it. Give it a good shaking. And let it marinate inside the refrigerator for a good 30 minutes. And then we're gonna pop it on our Camp Chef grill, and hopefully we get some very nice fajitas coming out. You guys stay tuned and I'll show you what they look like. In addition to our steak fajitas, we are also going to make some chicken fajitas. And we're going to use the same marinade that we used. Not the marinade, I'm sorry. Same seasoning. There's Badia's fajita seasoning. And we're going to season these chicken breasts that I have. And we're going to make some chicken fajitas as well. Taking right off. And yes sir, man, this fajita seasoning smells good. I mean, it smells really good. Don't those things look fantastic, guys? Man, this fajita seasoning adding some really nice color to this chicken. And all we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put these things in our in a Ziploc bag. Let them sit in here for a little while. And then we pop them on our grill. And we're gonna have us some very nice chicken fajitas as well. Let's go ahead and get these chicken fajitas and steak fajitas on our Camp Chef grill. We'll start off first with the chicken. Fajita seasoning smells really, really good. All right. Get those in there. That's some nice big plump pieces of chicken breast in there. And now time for our skirt steak. Here we go. Oh, man, this marinade smells good. Nice big old piece of fajita. Wow. We are going to be eating good tonight, guys. So I'm going to get these things grilled up for us. So you guys stay tuned and I'll show you how these chicken and steak fajitas come out. In addition to that, cheers. A little bit for me. And check out these fajitas. And a little bit for the fajitas. They are looking absolutely delicious, absolutely marvelous. Man, can't wait to dig into it. I'm gonna cut me a little piece right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is getting done. Look at that little piece right there. Oh man, perfect medium. I gotta give this a try. Mmm. 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 That lemon pepper, oh my gosh, that's absolutely delicious. You guys stay tuned, we're almost done. Almost forgot. You can't have fajitas without having some tortillas, so we gotta get these tortillas on the comal so we can make these fajita tacos. Start making this tortilla. As soon as you see it starting to bubble up like that, you know it's getting close. Just in case, let me lower this down just a little bit because this comal gets really hot. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice looking tortilla. So we get these tortillas made up just right, and we're fixing to make us a little fajita taco. It's fajita time. Let's get one of these fajitas done. We got all our meat grilled up using our Badia fajita seasoning, and we use that lemon pepper marinade. I am anxious to try these out. We got the tortillas. Let me grab me one right here. And we got plenty of sides to put on it. So we're gonna start off first. Let me see. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream on my tortilla. Okay, a little bit of sour cream. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of guacamole. You can't have fajitas without guacamole. And I'm gonna start off with some beef fajita, guys. Ooh, man, that thing came out good. You always want to make sure that when you're cutting fajita that you're cutting against the grain, because if you cut with the grain, you're gonna be chewing a lot. So always make sure that when you get your fajita cooked, you know, to your desired temperature, that you cut against this grain, because you'll be chewing, you know, for a long time. All right, there we go. There we go. Put these pieces of fajita in there. I'm gonna put these back in there. That way they don't lose any heat. And a little bit of shredded cheese. And a surprise, some queso fresco. Cheese, cheese, and more cheese. All right, that looks good. Let me get this covered up. Oh, I almost forgot. I got something I gotta show you guys. Hold on a second. Okay. If you can guess what's in this, then you're from Texas. All right. I grew up doing sauteed onions in aluminum foil when you throw them on the grill, and I haven't done this in forever. So let's see what it looks like. Should be nice and tender. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Let's see if you guys can see this. Let me bring it up right there. Ooh, man, does that look good or what? I'm gonna grab me a little bit of these onions and put them on my fajita taco. And I also got a chile in here. Let me grab some of that chile. Put this back over here. Yes, sir. You can't have fajitas unless you're having some kind of sauteed onions. And I kind of marinated these with some beer. You know, you cook them in beer and they'll come out really good. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the way it's supposed to look. That's the way it's supposed to come out. There we go. Let's get this chile cut up. Oh man, look at the juices come out of that thing. So we put some onions right here. I want to put some of these jalapenos. And I'll be ready to take me a bite. Woo. Don't drop your utensils, JP. Look at that taco right there, guys. That looks absolutely delicious, absolutely marvelous. Mmm. 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 Oh my gosh. Like being back home in Texas. Oh man, that jalapeno hit the spot. Ooh. I gotta get me a little sip. Oh my gosh. That onion and jalapeno put on the chicken fajita taco like that, there's nothing better. Whew. I gotta get me another bite. Mm. That's 3 bites. Did you count? Oh my gosh. That is absolutely delicious. Fajita seasoning with some skirt steak, sour cream, guacamole, shredded cheese, and some queso fresco with some jalapenos and onions. Guys, this is Texas. All right, but besides that, I appreciate you guys watching my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for being loyal, and thank you so much for watching my videos and for sharing them, of course. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit that button over on the side. Every Tuesday I come out with a new video, and hopefully I won't disappoint. And I appreciate you guys very much. I'll talk to you guys later.